Are your apps not working because of the rgss202j.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support specialist, and I'll help you re-register that library and end the crashes. This DLL file is the Japanese language variant of the Ruby game scripting system for RPG Maker VX. It contains the runtime logic and character encoding support needed for RPG titles originally developed for the Japanese market. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. The RGSS202j.dll is required by RPG Maker VX to run correctly. Reinstalling the latest official version of RPG Maker VX ensures all required application DLLs are restored. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the RGSS202j file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Safety is paramount. Never attempt to replace the RGSS202j.dll with binaries found on unverified download portals that lack quality control and often distribute files incompatible with modern Windows security updates. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. One approach to reviewing the RGSS202j references is through a diagnostic scan. Additional information is available at the link below. Thank you for watching. To continue receiving professional-grade solutions for RPG Maker VX and other PC errors, please subscribe to our support community.